Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk about why high ticket commissions are so important for you as an affiliate marketer. Now a quick question here, how many of you are currently using an affiliate program that pays you high ticket commissions? And by high ticket I mean $1,000 plus commissions. Just let me know if the answer is yes or no in the comments below. And also, do you think having the ability to make these high ticket commissions would have a positive impact on your earning potential as an affiliate marketer? Okay, today I'm going to talk about high ticket commissions and the huge impact they can have on your overall income as an affiliate marketer. But before we move on to that, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I'll not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Now to subscribe, simply hit the subscribe button and you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. Why high ticket commissions are so important for you as an affiliate marketer. So what exactly are high ticket commissions? Well, generally these are sales made in the back end of a business and are for the more valuable products and services that a business offers. These products are usually of a higher quality and carry the highest value for the customer and therefore command a premium price tag. Now, in case you're wondering who will pay for these high ticket offers that can run to thousands of dollars, the simple answer is people can and do buy these high ticket offers every single day. So how much does a high ticket product actually cost? Well, I would view a high ticket product as anything over $1,000. Okay, what type of products are normally used as high ticket offers? Well, any premium solution that solves a real problem can be used as high ticket offers. Examples include done for you offers, coaching, consulting, any kind of premium training, live events and masterminds. High ticket offers generally solve the highest and most painful problems people are facing. For you as an affiliate, the benefit of offering these high ticket products and services is the significant income these high ticket sales can generate. Let me give you an example of how these high ticket commissions can have a huge impact on your overall income. Let's say, for argument's case, that you want to make a monthly income of $5,000. If you were selling a product where your commission was $10, you would need to make 500 sales every month to achieve your goal. Now that sounds like a lot of hard work and effort, but if you're promoting a product which pays you a commission of $1,000, then you will only need to make 5 sales to reach your goal of $5,000. This is why high ticket commissions are so important for you as an affiliate marketer. Many people seem to think that making high ticket sales is extremely difficult, and for this reason they try and avoid it. They believe it's much easier to sell lower ticket products. And yes, while it's no doubt true that it's easier to sell a $10 product than a $1,000 product, I can assure you it's much more difficult to sell 100 $10 products than it is to sell just one $1,000 product. Now I hope you can see why these high ticket offers are so important for you as an affiliate marketer and how they can have a huge impact on your overall profits. So how do you actually go about finding and promoting these high ticket offers that can make you commissions of $1,000 plus? Well, they are out there. but it will take a little effort on your part to find these offers. One word of warning here, a lot of businesses will not pay commissions on their higher value products that are found in the back end of a business. They tend to keep the profit from these high value offers for themselves. Having said that, there are businesses that will pay you commissions on these higher value products, commissions that can amount to $1,000 and above. You just need to do some research in order to find them. Now, if you look at my description below this video, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online presentation where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will show you how he is using a little known method of giving away something for free, which leads to him making $1,000 plus commissions. And many of his partners who have followed his training are now also enjoying making $1,000 plus commissions. So I highly recommend you click the link in my description below this video and register for his free online presentation. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. And if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below, click the link and register for the free online presentation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.